Understanding, sitting on the bench, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, sitting on the bench. Whether you're new to the English language or looking to expand your understanding, this video is for you. Let's explore not just the literal meaning, but also the figurative usage of this phrase in various contexts. Stay tuned to discover how this phrase can add depth to your conversations in English. The phrase, sitting on the bench, literally refers to the act of sitting on a bench. A bench is a long seat that can accommodate multiple people, often found in parks, bus stops, and other public places. This meaning is straightforward, but in English, many phrases also carry a figurative meaning beyond their literal interpretation. In the world of sports, sitting on the bench takes on a more specific meaning. It refers to players who are not part of the starting lineup in a game and thus remain on the sidelines, or on the bench, waiting for an opportunity to play. This can imply that a player is not the first choice for the team or is being rested for strategic reasons. Beyond sports, sitting on the bench is used metaphorically in various aspects of life. It can describe someone who is not actively participating in an activity, project, or decision-making process. For instance, in a professional setting, an employee who is not involved in a key project might feel like they are sitting on the bench. Similarly, in personal and social contexts, it can refer to someone who is not taking an active role in their own life or in the community. Discussing the emotional aspect, sitting on the bench can evoke feelings of exclusion, underappreciation, or eagerness to prove oneself. It's important to recognize the emotional weight this phrase might carry, especially in sensitive contexts. Understanding and empathy towards people who feel like they are sitting on the bench can foster more inclusive environments, whether in sports, work, or personal relationships. Thank you for joining us to explore the phrase, sitting on the bench. We hope this video has illuminated not just the literal meaning, but also the rich figurative contexts in which this phrase can be used. English is a language full of such expressions, and mastering them can truly enrich your communication skills. Remember, every phrase has a story, and understanding these stories can make you a more effective and empathetic communicator. See you in our next video, and keep learning.